So one of my hygienists was on vacation for the last week, and she came back and her chair had no suction. Let me show you. This is the suction. It's good. There's nothing, zero. Make sure it works in another chair. Okay, so there's no suction at all. So unfortunately, these are concrete floors, and this goes downstairs to the suite underneath us and across to in here. So the line is plugged someplace somewhere between there and here. The line is plugged. So I'm going to try to blast air and water, anything I can to clear it. I actually brought like a little wire also to see if I can snake it out. So first I'm going to try with water. So luckily this is just the regular male threads and the female threads. Actually, I'll unplug this first so I don't get killed. Then I'm going to stick this thing around my neck. So let's see here. Maybe I can stick this around my neck. There we go. All right, let's unplug these so I don't electrocute myself. All right, there's the chair. Yeah, this is zero suction. I mean, something's blocking it. All right. So we have a fish tank in the office. So I have a million fittings I brought from home. So let's see what I can concoct here. I brought a compressor. I have little charged compressed air. I'm going to start first with water and see if that does it. So I hope this reaches to down there. We'll see in a second. But I need something that can adapt to this right here. So let me see if one side of this is going to get hooked up to the sink. So the thing I have in my hand right there is called a Python 2. It's a siphon for the fish tank, and the way it works is just basically a hose, and one end can connect to a faucet. So I happen to have that. It saved a little bit of effort of hooking up a regular garden hose to a faucet, which I would have done if I didn't have that. Okay, you can actually suck the water back too. All right, that's empty now. All right, so let's see what I can connect over here. All right, definitely reaches, which is good. All right, let's see. I need like a hose. So this is a hose connector. This will actually work right here. Let's see if I have a one piece instead of two though. Like a male to hose. All right, here we go. This is hose on one side, male pipe thread on the other. Let's see here. Oh, this is not good. Let's fix this while I'm sitting here. Incredible. Plastic clip they use. The plastic clip's broken. All right, I want to cross thread this. Let's make sure this is the right connector. Yep, that's fine. Okay. Okay. get in there. I don't want this to leak all over the place. Okay. So if I blast water through there, you gotta come through that. All right. I'm afraid to do this, but what the F? All right. There's the water. Oh. Okay, let me turn that off and see what happens if I suck this back. Fixed it. Okay, so I blew this out with compressed air. And now I'm going to put this back on. I'm actually going to do this to of my unit also, because it worked really well. All right. This just is a connection like that. One and two. All right, let's turn it on and see what happens.